Hi, my name is Duncan Moncrief, and this is MedSafe AI, my submission for the BNB Marathon 2025, online. Now, patients often forget that simple foods can interfere with the medicines they take, and the safety sheets that come with the medicines are often confusing and get lost. And if you make a mistake, well, it can be fatal. So I built MedSafe AI to help solve this problem using Google Vertex AI and Cloud Run. So let's get started having a quick look at this. Now you need to enter a name. So let's say Simon Davis. Enter the medicine they're taking. Let's go with warfarin. And they've got high blood pressure. They eat grapefruit and spinach. They drink wine occasionally. And they smoke a bit as well. Press the button there, consult in Gemini, and hopefully, yep, we've got a result fairly quickly. A disclaimer at the top, and then you can see we've got in tabular form the different kind of interactions, and that it's saved to the history. Now, this all runs on Cloud Run as a service, and as you can see, I've had 4 different revisions of it so far. The searches, they're saved in the Firestore, database for recall, which can easily demonstrate up at the top with like putting a different username in, say let's pick that one, and load the searches, and you see it comes back very quickly with the searches that user has made. Now the thing that powers this is the model logic in the model logic Python file, in particular the call to the Gemini 2.5 Flash model. And the model was strictly instructed to act as a medical assistant, but to enforce a safety disclaimer and respect specific formatting rules to ensure that the output is always reliable. Now, MedSafe quickly demonstrates how we can build life-saving tools using Google Cloud's serverless ecosystem, in particular Vertex AI and Cloud Run. It's fast, it's scalable, and it empowers patients to take control of their own safety. And thank you for watching.